Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra and let me show you how to manage camera watermarks at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button, so we get access to more options about camera we can manage. Now let's move to left to open camera settings button, and here at the first place we have watermark option, so let's pick it. Now we can add to our photos 3 types of watermarks: the timestamp, device one and the custom one. The first of two we can turn on and off by using these buttons. And let me draw your attention to custom because it's locked without the device. So to get access to it we have to keep turning it on the device watermark. Now we can add here our own, for example HardReset, and save it here. So let me keep it like that. Let's move back to camera now to take a photo to see these watermarks at the real picture. Now let's move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my photo with watermarks at the bottom. From the left we have Mi 11 Ultra device 1 with HardReset, the custom, and from the right we have timestamp. And of course when we don't need them or need another composition with that, we have to move back to camera, right corner options, left side settings, tap to watermark and manage this as we need, or just turn them off. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.